from TutorCabin Private Limited. Today I explain you Animal Husbandry. The chapter number 9 is a strategy for enhancement in the food production. Food production is a very important and necessary because day by day our population are increases and the food production are shortage of food. That's why we need the more and more food, much and much food, and better quantity and better quality also. So the animal husbandry is a very important and management is very important for the production of best and good quality product as well as good quantity. Clear? So in this lecture we actually studied about the animal husbandry and some animals which are important and useful for human welfare. So we started all these things one by one. This is a part 1.1. Our second part 1.2 I explain all the animals with scientific name. So in this lecture we actually explain the animal husbandry and related to two animals. Animal husbandry according to the demand. Animal husbandry, it means the man had started to the management of the domestic affair. Means domestic affair of animal is very important for the production of new offspring or new breeds, because these new breed and offspring are give much better quantity of food product as well as it is important and for human welfare. So the management of domestic affair is important because agriculture practice and breeding and raising livestock also vital skill for farmers. It is a very important and vital skill for farmers because in this skill, by this skill, farmers get more and more new breeds as well as new offspring as well as new food product. And these new offspring they enhance the food product, the quantity of milk and all. So care and breeding of livestock like buffalo, cow, horse, goat, sheep, camel, pig, etc. In extended way, today era, poultry farming and fisheries are the most in trend because the poultry farm gives a much and huge quantity of chicken as a food product as well as eggs. Eggs are today there are so many areas in the world. Egg are mostly consumed because the egg have the protein as well as some calcium product enhance the body metabolism as well as muscular portion of the body. That's why we need more and more poultry farm product. Poultry farm gives two type of product. First one chicken as well as egg and some chicken waste. It is important for the feeding of some domestic cattle. So fisheries is also important because some fishes are used as a medicinal purpose as well as industries, and some products, some fishes are said give some protein and calcium content to the welfare of the human body. So the fishes is also important and artificial lake are found and started to the fisheries. Okay, it is used in today era, in current era. So, more than 70% of the world livestock population is in India and China. About 20% world livestock population are spread in all over the world. Our world have the only 20% population of livestock, but in India and China have the 70% major part livestock population are present in India and China also. So, milk-yielding animals are cow, buffalo, and goat. Meat and egg-yielding animals are meat-yielding animals are sheep, goat, and pig. Egg-yielding animals are duck and fowl, hen also. And some animal used as a motif for buffalo, horse, donkey, bullock, camel, and elephant are used as a motif force because they are they are utilized as a some recreational way also and agriculture as well as some drawing cars and agriculture practice. Wool giving animals are sheep and goat, miscellaneous honeybee, silkworm, lakh insect, fisheries, etc. Some honeybees use and honeybees farming is a very advanced in trade today because honeybee farming gives a lots of honey because honey is a very important for the betterment of body and metabolism of body, human body. As well as silkworm farming is also important because silkworm give the silk better quality of silk. Lakh insect also give the lakh because lakh is exported in a very expensive amount from India to foreign countries also, and fishes also. The domestic cattle are bovidae. Scientific name is a bovidae, and there are two types of domestic cattle. First one is humped and the remaining is non-humped. Humped is a Bovis indicus. It is called as zebu, and India and it is found in India and Africa. Non-humped cattle is Bos terrace, found in Europe and North America also. If we take in something about cow and buffalo, cow is normally called as zebu, is a Bos indicus, is a milk yielding cow, give milk, yellow color milk, because yellow color pigmentation comes and occur by the presence of keratin. Clear? So keratin are present in the cow's milk. Their bulk is a casted meal used in farm practice as well as drawing cards, in agriculture as well as drawing cart, in normal or transporting also. Bone, horn and hoof of the cow are used to form or for formation of producing of glue and gelatin. Clear? Lactation in sterile cow is induced by the stalbestrol. Actually, the lactation are not done in sterile cow because sterile cows are not involved in breeding as well as lactation, but in lactation are induced by the inoculation of stalbestrol because they are the product which activated the lactation gland, milk mammary gland, and then start the lactation in the cow. The gestation period of cow is only 9 months. Clear? We take in second is the buffalo. Buffalo in scientific name is a Bubulus bubalis. Clear? It's also milk producing. Buffaloes produce better milk, 3 times better milk than cow because the milk contain high fat, calcium and phosphorus. Clear? The buffalo milk and buffalo milk byproduct is also very important because they have the high content of fat, calcium and phosphorus content. Okay, so they are also live very long time and they are more resistant to diseases. That's why buffalo is a beneficial for than cow. Their buffalo's bulls are used for agriculture practice, drying cards. Also, Asian buffaloes prefer living in the water. That's why they're all over the India and all over the Asia. Mainly buffaloes found in the underwater or lakh water because they prefer mostly living in the watery area or underwater. Their milk is almost free from carotenoid. Carotenoid is a pigment. The buffalo's milk free from carotenoid because the liver cell are converts carotenoid into vitamin A. So that's why the buffalo's milk has the high content of vitamin A. Gestation period of buffalo is 10 months. There are number of 26 number of buffaloes breed are present with their different body color, body texture as well as horns and shape of the forehead. So in this lecture we actually discuss about the animal husbandry, domestic animals, eating animals and two cow and buffalo cover in this lecture. Please note it down as it is a very important point as well as 12th class board as well as your need point of view. So please note it down it. If you have any query, please ask me. Thank you.